Guys, I bought my XB back. I'm going to throw up some before pictures of when I bought it, and then some pictures of after I bought it back. Some things have changed, but most have stayed the same since I sold it and bought it back. When I sold it, the valve cover was black and it was a red TRD bar, but as you can see now, it's a little different. The first thing we're going to do is get rid of those green stripes. That's just not my style. I got one side done already. Got the Knifeless tape laid down on this side. Didn't bother recording me wrapping the fenders because I don't have the equipment to do so. But if you want to follow Christian with CK Wraps, he's a professional. He has lots of videos and tutorials online. He's very helpful. Give him a follow. Until then, here's the final product. We got both sides wrapped. I think it looks a lot better than the green. Got some small spots where there's some overspray, but that is what it is. I'll put a link in the description down below of the products I used. That's all I got for today, guys. We'll catch you later.